Alright lads, it's your boy Jared Jetson back at it again with the analog cameras. Alright, so today I found something very curious in the second-hand store. Okay, so I found one of these little bad boys here. This one is a Konica C35. Now this is also a C35. This is also a C35. I have another C35 somewhere over there. And I've had two others. One thing I've noticed with all of these is that they come with this. Plastic bottom covers. They're shit. They crack. They will always crack. You can't escape it. But today I found this little bad boy. Now this little bad boy, what's this thing having in particular that these don't, and that every other single C35 that I had hasn't had? It's one of these, a metal bottom plate. It's made out of the same aluminium that the top cover is made out of. So, what I did is, I bought this, and I'm just going to take this, and put it on my main camera. Because this one is really crusty. You can see it's cracked, the focus ring barely turns. And I'm going to have a really nice little camera. So, if you're ever in the market for a Konica C35, and you get one with a plastic cover, find a junky one with a metal cover, or even better, you just find one in working condition that has a metal bottom plate, because this is trash. Your batteries will fall out in the middle of your funny Bulgarian trip, like what happened to me, and your flash is not going to work anymore. With this, your flash is always going to work. So that's Jared Jetson signing off. Almost forgot. Here are the serial numbers. Plastic cover. Plastic cover, that's a 16, there we go. And metal cover starts with 20. Maybe that has something to do with something. I don't know. Anyway, signing off. Woo!